Okay, this is the second house. This room has its own bathroom here with a tub and shower, toilet, linen cabinet. Big closet. Another closet here. Guinea pig. Another tub and shower. This is still the second house. This is the deck. This is the third house. We'll get to that one in a minute. Got a lot of land. All nice and pretty level for Livingston. I'll put it back over here to this one. This one's got a nice sized shed on it. This is the first house. It's got some nice landscaping and a circle driveway. That's the entrance of your land here. All of that behind you is part of this property. And then, the three houses here. Several tile backsplash. Lots of closets. Half bath. There's the sliding glass door there. And then you got another sliding glass door up here for the living room. It's so peaceful. Decent size one. It's not huge. Stairs of wood. This is the another upstairs bath, really nice vanity. Beautiful shower. And this is bedroom number 3 upstairs. This is another workshop area. And this is the third house. Terry's over there taking pictures. There's the third building on the property. Okay, this is the entrance to the first house. Nice staircase. Front office room. Dining room is over here. Living room. Good views. Little wet bar. Kitchen. Pantry. Light turns off automatically, so it's nice. Another door there. Sink. Bathroom. It's a huge garage. Easily park a boat in there. You gotta be so careful. Okay. So what would you say this is? A game room?
With broken windows, yeah.
Like a spare storage room here.
Huge deck, yeah.
Huge deck. There's the boathouse.
No ever place. No.
The roof looks new. Oh, it's got a balcony up top.
How far would you say that is from here, or how wide is that, you guessing? That we really haven't used it much. One being because when we put it in the third garage, and one time it's this far.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. But that may be why, you have issues. My brother would need that.
Like another living area.
Yeah, this is big, big area.
This has a balcony, fireplace, and a bathroom with a shower in a toilet. That's interesting. This is
He was just
handy capable. Closet. What? An elevator? Holy cow. Upstairs balcony. Another bathroom. Another bedroom. And there's access to that balcony from here as well. And another bedroom. Big closet in this last bedroom.